Hello everyone. Today, what am I telling about? I'm telling about hiccups. Peppa, George, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play. Ooh, garden to play. Mommy, please can we go out to play? You can go to play when you finish your breakfast. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Oh no, George has hiccups. Oh no. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Not while George has hiccups, but George's hiccups have gone. Mommy, haven't they, George? Oh, all right. You can go out and play, but look after George. What? George has hiccups and he can still go out to play? I want to go out to play! Peppa and George love playing in the garden. George, I'm going to throw the ball. And then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. See, Peppa? George needs his hiccups to be gone. Come on, Peppa, come on. George, now you throw the ball to me, and I have to catch it. George! Oh dear, George's hiccups are spoiling the game. Oh no, George hiccups. Ay, 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 ay. At the video, George threw the ball and it just right away bumped into Peppa's head. Naughty George. George! I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups have gone. But did George's hiccup have really gone? Let's see. Peppa's cure of hiccups doesn't seem to have worked. See, Peppa, you're just a kid. You can't know anything about it. But I know. But we can know at the end of the story. I don't know. George, you have done it all wrong. Didn't he? I think George did right, but the plan didn't work, so Peppa thought she was really smart, and I think she told a lie. Let's keep reading. Know a better way to cure your hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Ooh, come on, Peppa, George is little. How can you jump 3 times? I can't even do it. Oh, man. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue. Ooh. I don't know how to do it. Oh, man. Whoa. Do you look at the picture? It's a really big tongue. Oh, I don't have it. Come on, George. Don't stick your tongue out. And now, Close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa, new cure hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups. Oh my God. I'm already dizzy. Oh gosh. What? Oh, right. It still didn't work. I hope it does on the 3rd time because everyone says 3rd time the charm. I know. To cure your hiccups, the ill piggy must be given a shot. George, I'm going to scare you. Whoa, George looks very sad. I think the story is getting worse and worse because I think Peppa is trying a funny joke on George. I think this story is just like Peppa's trying to cure George's hiccups and he just think right in time and think a plan and just let George do it. So that's why I think it's just a joke. But you must remember it's only a game and it will stop your hiccups. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at Peppa. It's like this. I can do that. Everyone can do that, but oh my gosh, look, it's like super high. Oh my God. It's far away from the ground. I can't even jump it. Remember, this is just pretend scaring. Wow! I think George said it obviously. Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George. He is only little. Yes, Peppa, you can do that, right? See, George is crying. Look at that. What? Look at Mommy Pig is so fat. Oh my. Sorry, Mommy. I was trying to stop George's hiccups. But I'm going to tell you the last of this story. George have really cured his hiccups because I said, 3rd time the charm. Peppa scared George and George did lost his hiccups. George's hiccups have gone. Yay, because I don't want hiccups anyways. Before I read the last page, I'm going to tell you a real thing. A man was walking on the street and the pig fell on his head and then he keep having hiccups, but we don't know why. Okay, now this is the last page. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 beakers of juice. George, if you drink your drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. Yep. George, don't drink too fast and either Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, or Peppa. Now I'm thinking, is that true? Because I drink my water super duper uber mucho fast. So I think that's just a realistic story. I don't know. Now let's keep reading again. Oh well, I'm reading. I'm not as little as George, but Peppa, you are kind of little as George, right? I don't know. I can drink as quickly as I want to. Let's see if I can. Oh no, I think I'm getting hiccups. Just kidding. That's the end of the story. If you want more videos by me, please subscribe. Bye bye.